Hello, welcome to the Mini Orange. In this video, we will discuss site protection. Let's start with the Protect website against anonymous access. This feature provides protection against anonymous access or users. Users will be redirected to the OAuth Provider or IDP login page to perform SSO. To configure this, navigate to the Module Settings, under the Settings tab. Check the box for Protect website against anonymous access. Now, select your application from the Select a Default Application for Redirections dropdown, for example Azure AD. Let's check this. Open a new browser or a new tab in incognito. Enter the URL of the page that you want to access. You will be asked log in to provider. After that you can access that page. Now, page restriction. This feature allows you to either restrict access to a page or exclude it from restrictions. Under the Page Restriction section, select either the Pages to exclude from restriction or Pages to be restricted. Enter the page URL in the Page URL field. To add multiple URLs, click the Add button and enter each URL on a new line. Go through these instructions to enter page URL. Scroll down and click on the Save Configuration button. Let's see how this works. Open a new browser or a new tab in incognito. Hit the page that you have restricted or allowed. Here we have a restricted specified page. You will be redirected to the provider login page and asked to perform SSO. After SSO, you can access that page. If you have selected Pages to exclude from restriction option, then you do not need to perform SSO. Let's check this. Navigate to the Page Restriction section and select Pages to exclude from restriction option and save configuration. Now, access that page in a new tab. You can access that page without SSO. Next, replace Drupal login form with Identity Provider, OAuth Server, login. Using this feature, users will be redirected to the configured OAuth Server login page while accessing the Drupal login page. Navigate to the Site Protection section. Check the box for Replace Drupal login form with Identity Provider, OAuth Server, login to enable this feature. Let's see how this feature works. Open a new browser window or tab in incognito. Navigate to the Drupal site homepage and click on the login link. You will be redirected to the provider login page. That's it, this feature is configured. Enable page access. Enabling this option allows the user to access any page, even if the redirection settings to the OAuth server are enabled. This is checked by default. Add the below page access parameter in the page URL. Let's check this. Open a new browser window or tab in incognito. Enter the page URL that you want to access, and after that URL, enter the parameter that is given in the module and then hit that URL. You can access that page. Enable Backdoor login. If you have replaced Drupal's login form with an OAuth provider, and it fails, or you are locked out from the provider, this feature redirects you to Drupal's login page so you can sign in with your Drupal credentials. This feature is enabled by default. Let's see how this works. In our configuration, we have replaced the Drupal login form with a provider login. Save the configuration. Now, in a new browser or in an incognito tab, open Drupal site and try to log in. It will redirect you to the provider login form. Now, add the backdoor login parameter in URL and hit the URL. You will be redirected to the Drupal login form. Log in with your Drupal credentials. That's it. This is all about site protection. Experience a full-featured 7-day trial to explore our OAuth client module as per your use case. Request the trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching.